Hey there YouTube, Zach here. I just wanted to show you my newest purchase for the van. It's a power inverter, 400W EverStart Plus from Walmart. I found it online. Well, in store they wanted $29.99 for it, and online price was $23 and some change. So I bought it online and picked it up in store this morning. And after I have cash back and cash back on my card also. And so I only paid like $19 or $20 for it. So I think I came out good. I haven't opened it yet or plugged it into the van. So we're going to do that for you guys today. So I just wanted to show you the outside of the box real quick. You can use a cigarette plug, power small appliances, and then you got your clamps, connect directly to battery to power large appliances. Says a few things on the back here. You can check those out. You got some features, and then you got some specs. You can pause that if you care to. A couple graphics over here, nothing too fancy. A display legend, I guess, is what you want to say for this. I'm going to open this up for you real quick, and so you guys can see what you get. Yeah, definitely, if you can get it for the good deal online, I would do that. But right here, you got the unit itself. It's so you got red, you got a fan on this end, but this is where you connect your cables. You got 2 plugs and then 2 USB ports and a power switch and your display right here. Also comes with your battery cable. Well, this is for your cigarette outlet that they go onto here. Boom, boom, and then same thing with this if you're wanting to do large appliances, I guess. I don't think I'll need this with my laptop and charging my phone and whatnot, but same thing, and then run this to your battery. That's about it in the box. Just some instructions down there. I'm gonna go out to the van and I'm gonna plug this into my laptop and GoPro batteries, and we're gonna see what it does. So, hey YouTube, Zach back. I just wanted to show you guys what was going on here. I got my computer, my cell phone, and 2 GoPro batteries there charging on the inverter. Yeah, you simple plug right into your cigarette outlet, hook your 2 wires up there, color coordinate those, plug in, hit the switch, and everything's charging great. No warnings on the display. Just gives you, well, there's warnings if you need to be warned, but just giving you the volts that are running through it there in mid 12 volts, so doing about right. This isn't my final arrangement of this, but this was just to demonstrate and to see if it worked, because I really didn't know if it was going to work yet. You never know about Walmart stuff. So, but anyways, guys, this has been Zach with Savage Traveling. I hope that shows you a little bit about the inverter and what it's capable of. This is pretty much what I'll be using it for. Maybe one more plug of charging something else, but really this is about it. And it's like just when it's running, no battery lights came on, it didn't bog the vehicle down or anything, so I think it's going to work out for now. We'll see how long she lasts. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed.